Today's tutorial, how to configure print settings in PDF using C#. Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we'll learn how to configure print settings using the IronPrint library in a .NET application. First, ensure that you have the IronPrint NuGet package installed in your project. If not, you can install it easily with the NuGet package manager. So moving on to the program.cs file, we start by importing the IronPrint namespace. Configure the print settings by creating an instance of PrintSettings class. Set the desired DPI or dots per inch for the print job. In this example, we set the DPI to 150. Specify the number of copies you want to print. So here we are setting the number of copies to 2. And then define the paper orientation for this print job. So for this one, we're going to be using portrait orientation. Next, print the document using the printer class. The print method should receive the file name and the configured print settings. So let's run the application and see how the document is printed with the configured settings. The print dialog box appears to save the print file. Name it anything and click save. So at this point, if you have a physical printer attached, it'll print. The document is printed with the specified DPI, number of copies, and paper orientation. Following these steps, you can easily configure print settings using IronPrint in your .NET applications. Of course, we invite you to explore more advanced functionalities of IronPrint for all the versatile printing tasks you may need. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronPrint, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.